Greetings. I'm Timothy Farmer, Educational Technology Specialist in Atlanta Public Schools. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you some tools and tips of how you can increase your email efficiency in Microsoft Outlook. Let's begin. We're going to get started with how to create some basic folders to organize your emails, as well as create rules to automatically send emails in your inbox to designated folders. As you see on the screen, I am in my email inbox in Microsoft Outlook. To create folders, I'm going to go over from the home area across the top over to folder. Here, I can select the first option to create a new folder. In the menu that appears under name, I can type in the name of what I'd like my folder to be called. I'm going to call my folder Resources. Below the name, there is a list of the folders that I already have. If I simply click OK, this Resources folder is going to be listed as a main folder in all of my list of folders. But I like to create subfolders so that I have a few main folders and all of my other folders are nestled under those main folders. So I'm going to select a folder in my inbox, and I'm going to expand all of those folders by clicking on this arrow. And I want that folder to be a subfolder of instruction. And by doing so and clicking on it, once I hit OK, Resources will be a subfolder of instruction. As you see here over in my side menu, Resources is now a subfolder of instruction. So this is how you create a basic folder to organize your inbox. And if I want to move emails over to that instruction or that Resources folder under instruction, I can simply click and drag it over. And once I let go, it will be placed into that folder. Or I can right click, and I can also go down to Move To and select the Resources folder or any other folder. Additionally, in this menu, when I right click, I can go to Rules and I can set a rule for emails that come into my inbox to automatically go to a designated place. So under Rules, I can set this email to always go to a specific folder from messages that come from Timothy Farmer. So if I click on that, I can select a folder for messages that come from Timothy Farmer from a folder that I already have, or I can click on New and create a new folder, maybe a folder that has his name that will place automatically emails that come from him to that location. So I'm going to click Cancel. I can also set more specific rules by going back to that menu and going down to Rules. And I can create a rule. Likewise here, I can make a rule for emails that come from Timothy Farmer. I can also create a rule for emails that have a certain subject. And then there are a few other advanced options, such as play a selected sound, or I can also from here select to move an item to a specific folder and select that folder. So I'm going to cancel that. So this is how in Microsoft Outlook, how you create a basic folder as well as create a rule to automatically allow emails to go to a specific folder.